Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's go to Reset, scroll, and find mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Of course, depending on which section you'd like to reset, simply tap on the proper option. I'll pick this one, so just tap on the option. Of course, here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone, so be aware about that, and tap on Reset Settings. And as you can see, everything has been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.